Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted a simple way to run a SOCKS5 proxy through HTTP custom, you are in exactly the right place. Because today I am going to walk you through the entire process from start to finish, step by step. So even if you have never touched this app before, you will be able to follow along with no trouble at all. Before we get into anything technical, the very first thing you need is the HTTP custom app itself. If you do not already have it installed, simply open the Play Store on your device, search for HTTP Custom, look for the version made by epro dev teams, and download it. Once the installation finishes, go ahead and open the app so we can get started. Now, before we touch any settings inside the app, there is one important thing we need first, and that is a working SOCKS5 proxy server. Without this, none of the configuration inside HTTP custom will actually connect to anything, so this step is essential. To get a free proxy server, open your browser and search for proxyscrape. Then head over to their official website. Once you are on the homepage, look at the top menu, and you will see an option called Freebies. Tap on that, and from the drop-down that appears, select Free Proxy List to continue. On the next page, scroll down a little and you will find a list containing both SOCKS4 and SOCKS5 proxies from different countries around the world. Pick any country you prefer and copy the IP address along with the port number next to it. Once you have that copied, go back to the HTTP Custom app. Inside HTTP Custom, tap on the Connection menu from the home screen, and from the options that appear, select V2Ray to continue into the configuration screen. On the next screen, choose SOCKS5 as your protocol. You will notice fields for username, password, and IP address appear. In the IP and port field, paste the exact IP and port you copied earlier from proxyscrape. The username and password fields can be left empty, unless your specific proxy provider requires them, in which case you can fill those in accordingly. Once everything looks correct, tap the plus icon to save this configuration. After saving, tap the plus icon again, and then either tap the Start button from there or hit the Play button directly on the home screen to launch the VPN connection. After starting, swipe to the right side of the screen to view the connection logs, and within a few seconds, you should see the VPN successfully connected. To make sure everything is working as expected, you can open the What is my IP website and confirm that your IP address has changed, which tells you the proxy connection is active and routing your traffic correctly. And that is really all there is to it. Setting up a SOCKS5 proxy inside HTTP Custom is quick, free, and something anyone can do in just a few minutes once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, do not forget to smash that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.